morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Hi friends. So this morning it's a bit of a bleaky morning. When we're ready to show you, when we woke up we realized that there's a lot of, not a lot of rain outside, but like, you know, kind of cloudy. So we are going on the road, but we're on the road already. We're going to, where we go first, only Fish Ground? Yeah, so we're going to Fish Ground first, and then
already Fish Ground, not in a Fish Ground downtown.
well, yeah,
Fish market.
but a fish market.
But for a Fish Ground originally a downtown Kingston.
Yeah, and then we're going to go to a supermarket after. So just taking you guys along with us today.
You can't go long about taking them most
No, I see them. Honestly. Look.
No, I know you're not going to give me everything. The big one, then don't have bottom
No,
for your friend.
No, I'm not.
For your friend.
No, don't do that.
Alright. Me I go and work with you. The rain come from half I see it. So rain
Fairy.
eh?
You know, Black Fairy.
Make sure that in my house, me not glad me like the on the road and drive up and down when it rain. Like people in too mad with the traffic. That's true. I always like them fish and doing a snow.
You don't know much customers me I want to look and me can't get none.
Small one and nice don't
No, ever fat. No, man.
So right now, you know, family, fish scarce. Fish is scarce and fish is expensive. They are coming the umbrella, the breeze are blowing the umbrella. What you say, mums? Eh? And every time then time at area.
Yeah, and the weather cheap.
And next week when in here come to where do you the name? Ash Wednesday?
Next week Wednesday. I see weather in again.
But we didn't have the weather yesterday. We didn't have the weather here.
I say going time, man.
So
Yes.
You sell sprat too?
No. And she not come here tonight, my
sprat,
little
no one
lady.
little sprat too, you know. She not come here, get a little sprat for her. You know, everybody out of front of her. How much a sprat? How much a front is
Couldn't
coming?
tell you how
Are
much.
you not selling?
In a week, she tell me say I four, but I know so then it's no little bit come.
And
here
more
and
money,
see.
more money, yeah.
You have to wait till I hear what she say.
Okay. So I am getting a little fish. But I want to come get some fish from before Christmas. And every time I put it off from January.
I come share, yeah.
No sir, but I just want to come buy because for a long time I ain't no fish. So when we buy from the people, this is like the fishmonger, they're on the sea. They say they're on the sea, almost on the seaside there. Yeah, so what more they fish? I'm more than one fishing place.
Every morning they come with fish.
Okay. So
I don't know what the fishing I'm not price put in my bottom my box.
I don't know fish you have.
I don't know what the
Okay.
fishing.
When the cooler the weather better it is for you, not true. Once
No,
but
yeah,
when the
yeah.
weather cooler you not get
You
no
see me?
goods.
Me love have enough ice in my igloo bottom.
Oh.
That means your fish no chill. You know, take
Just
off
stay
your
upon the
put on,
temperature, yeah. Yes, I know that not good for your fish. So she clean up them for me, Paris. So we'll catch you in the next clip.
They're not real. They're not real. But I was like, they're so pretty, but they're not real. Because I looked at the price and I saw like 6,000 and I'm wondering, that's a good price, but I'm just realized that they're not real.
85-inch QLED. You can do the TV then.
So big, so big. Oh, we're coming for first the soap, right? You're looking for something here? Oh. You could go down that way, no?
Which way are the soap? Let me soap them. There are signs.
If it was the other one, then sure, but I don't really know in here very well.
But the street for that one, and it's the only one I thought we go for some reason. No.
Because it's just open.
Probably not just open.
Well, not just open. I think they have a little bit more stuff here. Well, I think so. I don't know. Mind the rum, darling.
I'm not licking no rum. Go on, go down here. So let me see them. These things are out of storage. The table look longer than the regular one. It's the same size? No. This is how much?
That is the set. No, that's the taller version. This is the size that you have. See it here.
What is it? Round 60-inch round table. This one is for 20,600. That one.
Okay.
No.
This.
Oh.
This.
The
Yeah.
top one.
Oh yeah, this one.
This one is nice. It's tall. Forget it. Sudden folding fabric sheets of fabric. So we have to get one if you want one.
Ask for help.
Yeah, but how do you get one out? That's the point.
Ask for
You
help.
have to take one out with it. I can't know. Look here. Are the metal one there, you know? This are just $200 something dollars more, you know? You see? Oh boy. What about here?
One knife and fork?
I don't want no knife and fork. Leave me alone. All them are some. You know them not either. Where would we go? Bobby, you can't find for your phone. Look on the app now. You know, show everything for the direct. You know, direct it to you.
I'm not. Hold on. I try forgetting. No, it don't tell me the aisle. Just tells me the price and stuff. I think further down would be the best bet to go. Wherever I see laundry detergent, it should be close by. See it here?
Okay.
This side. That's what I'm saying. Wherever I see laundry detergent, it should be close by. So this was the one we saw. Yeah, this is the Palmolive.
How much is this?
The same 219, but with tax 25, yeah.
But they have this one too.
They have the orange, they have the green, and they have the blue down there. So
Where's the
blue down there.
but we never use blue Palmolive, eh?
It's the Oxy blue one.
Oxy blue?
Yeah.
I'm more money for that.
No, it's the same 2-1.
Really?
Yeah, they're all the same.
So this way with the client, because you're representing the client very well.
Yeah, this is it. Palmolive Oxy dishwashing.
I'm down at the same.
No, that is a little bit more. Well,
That looks smaller.
it is, the down is smaller.
But it's thicker.
Not that much.
Go on with this. You know,
Yeah.
we can't get back to get this thing. Basically, yeah, that not sure. But else we go. We have to go around this and for the morning. Yes, the morning. Let's spin back around.
Oh, you want the juice? You have to turn back around.
Yeah. And them never have done up so we go done.
I don't know, you know, we weren't looking in that section.
We weren't?
No, we weren't.
We were. They did not.
Oh, I wasn't looking, so I didn't see.
We were, but they did not.
I don't think juices.
The knife by Vanpa.
The sanitary stuff?
Yeah, disposable.
I don't
Oh,
think
then
it's
the
here,
soap
so.
and stuff?
Yeah, I don't think it's here, so.
And I see the thing that I want. What are these?
Try down here. Try this way.
Brown in the front.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
This is toothpaste, toothbrush. See them over here. I think that's the section down there, so.
One upstairs look like you work the money down.
It is. Not bad.
Let me have to like
Commercial.
yeah, commercial. You just didn't know reason I can't buy.
Take this way.
Yes, sir. Can I buy that something there for you?
What's that?
You want one of the other ones?
Yeah.
The one where you say
Oh, the ice cream?
yeah.
Uh,
I don't like the chocolate coat.
Oh, you don't like the chocolate cup? Well, you can try
I
that
like
out.
it, but I don't like to have it all the time. Like
Okay.
So
Maybe they have different ones here. You never know. Have a look. Right here, so this is where they should be.
what are we looking for?
No,
Disposable.
Yeah. But maybe they don't have any. It seems them not have. No.
Look around this stuff. It'll be right here.
See them? Oh, here.
Yeah.
But there's no forks.
A craft mayo, this, the one I must want.
We just bought mayo.
No, me no want the big one.
Oh, mayo for yourself.
I don't like craft.
I'm guessing that's the only brand they might have. Juice.
The juice part, yeah.
Not here, so go up a little further, I think. That's where we'll pass it when we come out.
Elman is better than craft club.
In my opinion, mayonnaise and mayonnaise.
In European mayonnaise and mayonnaise.
I really don't see a big difference.
No.
But buy the one that you prefer,
So
mommy.
tell you down below. Craft fire. You have the record?
Yeah.
Pick up sardine. And look here. Let me show. I eat the sardine with you and it is so hard to digest.
Really? It's the same one. In the soya oil. Sometimes over time, you know, the taste of things that you used to like before it changes. So normally I know you're a sardine person, you like your sardine. I know you like your sardines, but the tomato paste?
Yeah.
Careful.
We have any bigger? We have any smaller one?
No. Everything else is... No, oh, those are diced tomatoes. Those are diced tomatoes.
These are diced?
No, these are diced tomatoes.
These?
Those over there, so.
What?
These ones. These are diced
So when I take
tomatoes.
a big old one and now we may go do it when I cut it.
I don't know.
I'm going to take this there.
Because it doesn't make any sense picking up that,
I'm gonna buy them so big.
that big elevator tomato paste. We don't use it that often.
No.
Careful. Yeah, there you go.
These are on
Those are diced tomatoes.
these. How many? So like there are some small ones in there, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So that comes in an 8-pack.
8 pack of what? Little teeny one then?
Yeah,
no, not
yeah.
so little teeny.
No, not that small, but the regular size. The regular
This is
size.
one size.
Yeah.
Once steamed and peel.
So
Nice.
them diced already, so you just blend them up and do what you're doing. A tomato paste is over here, so that too?
You want it?
No, what is this? Oh, this is mackerel. No, that's not mackerel. This is olives. I mean, one hate olives. I don't like olives.
Me want like this, or them right there. Hold on, please. Look so.
They probably are, but
But on should be good. They must say 100% natural.
hun should be good enough.
Make we try it. Make we try it.
There was a tomato sauce at home and it was quite red. I did use it and make the.
Them say 100% natural. So let's go.
The juice. You want your juice?
So we can find a juice.
Down here, so.
See?
Yeah, right here. This section.
So if I can't believe it's not butter, and this is for 2,298 with that. I get two of these. I made the things, so I get one of this for 1,148. So this work out better, don't? This does it? Yeah. And this is, I can't believe I'm going to check the light country pack. So what's the difference?
Honestly, I really don't know.
And just me the choose like me they get it all.
No, there wasn't any. Something there.
I can't believe they had it.
Oh, they had it. I didn't see it.
I was just trying to tell them I didn't know. They sit me aside.
That's bacon.
Oh God, the bacon is also called Caribbean fashion.
Can't tell. This is streaky bacon. So I really can't tell him. I think the cheese is on the other side.
This one?
Yeah, that one, yeah.
And
then we go. And that would be it.
Yeah.
So I want a bottle of water and I'm going to get it over there. So
Wow. Single water?
yeah, a single bottle of water.
Yeah.
This is the cheese section.
You have a change? Yes, it's got the same mild cheddar.
Hey, you used to it?
Look at that, see when I eat when you used to.
Yeah.
So we are home family. The lady slowed down, she clean the fish them, but look here. Them fresh, you see them? Fish is so expensive. Them are big. I mean, know some people are going to say a young parrot, but at the time in Jamaica, at them a size, not parrot, what them name? But that's something they name snapper. Them are the real snapper. And them snapper you will mostly get, so. She clean them really good. So, I have some lime water. This one more. I'm going to show you some of that big lime on the tree. Oh, I don't want them fish to stick me, you know. So I'm going to take them out. Should you give me them now? With ice in the bag and with it go. Price mart. So them real, they are well kept. Should you give me ice from them? But them tell me, this them are big something to so me say some people have. Them say they breeze them every year. I same thing, I just them size fish I get. Every single year. Spare one them big. But then again, me I say, why then catch them here? Why they not left them here? Why then that me see brother? And them one are big too. So this is snook. I love this fish. If you all know anything about our fish, them fresh. You see them? Fresh fish you have. If you know anything about this fish, a snook fish, comment and tell me. It's a fish I always buy. But you have to really know. See, I say she give me ice, you see? Still have ice on it. So I tell her to give me the snook then. Because she think me don't know fish. So, yeah. Panda Mampi one, yeah. You see it? Nice. You can look at this. This is a beauty. It's a beauty. Yeah. Them fish are pure gum. Hey man, she fixed me up good. Me have ice in the bag. See me. This is a next medium size. Almost as big as this. So I tell her somebody want these. Yeah, I think that's it. I still have ice. And something left in. Oh, I have another fish. Oh, I gotta show my fish, really? No. So I'll get some more lime side in there. May I look on it and look here. She really something there, you know. That's my neighbor next door. They are knocking, my neighbors. So I don't have no control over that. You never want to refine. You see it? She takes so long. Me I say, Lord, she's slow, but she do it good, Kari. You know? So I have them in the lime water. Nice lime. Yeah man, you have to refine it. Some of them clean it up and when you come, you have to refine it. So lime water, I have it in. So I get 1, 2, how much snook I get? 3 snook. 2 big size one and a medium size one. Yeah. And the rest into snapper. So enough money for them and next week when you go to the price of this. I go to all nearly 2,000 a pound for them here next week. Me I tell you, much as on a seat, yes. So this is what I got, and I got a few little things at price not that I really needed it. So we're gonna wash off these now, and I'm gonna be draining them, packaging them, put them in the deep freeze. So I guess this is where the box stop. So thanks for watching, and I hope, tell me in the comment section if you know about that fish, if you ever eat it. See our fish them fresh? Nice fresh fish you have. This is a beautiful fish. You might see me do a video with it. You want to see me do a video with it, comment. This is a beautiful fish. And when I cook fish like this, I don't cut it because these are what makes it look nice on the plate. So look here. I'll catch you again with another video. Thanks for watching. Remember to make sure that you're subscribed. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think about them fish here. And I'll catch you again with another video. Answer bite me too.